So we just checked into Ritz Rancho Mirage. Beautiful hotel. Got Ko on the go with me. Beautiful property. We stayed at a bunch of different Ritz Carltons around Southern California, and this one's by far one of the most beautiful properties we've ever been to. And they upgraded us to a fireside room for being elite members, which is pretty awesome. It's nice to see that people do that at the Ritz Carltons. I've noticed that Ritz Carlton does that for us more than a lot of other different Marriott properties, and we're very appreciative of that. We also got club lounge access as well, which I'll be showing you guys that later. Beautiful restaurant. Come outside here. Got the pools that we're gonna check out later, and the views are just stunning here. Looking forward to checking it out. We'll head to the club lounge next. In the club lounge, you have complimentary coffee, beverages, and snacks in this area. Plenty of seating for small groups and big groups. You also have more beverages over here and adult beverages as well, and an outside seating area for enjoying the views. And then breakfast, lunch, and dinner, they provide small meals here. You can also request other food through the club lounge employees, and then you got your wine selection as well. But you can also ask the employees for drinks as well. So they also have a Ritz Kids here on property at Rancho Mirage Ritz Carlton. They got some games, they got movies, a bunch of different games to play. You got arts and crafts, which is neat. A little hangout spot for the kids. It's kind of hot out today, but if you want, you can hang out there, have some drinks and snacks. There's some movie room, got beanbags and stuff. Restrooms, books to read, and they got a foosball, pool table area, which is pretty cool. And it looks like they got a little another game or movie theater. That's pretty cool. Another great thing about the Ritz Carlton and Rancho Mirage, it's very kid friendly. Welcome to the fireside room, 1124. Thank you, Ritz Carlton, for upgrading our room to the fireside. Love this shower / bath combo. Pretty cool. Decent room. 2 beds. They even gave our service dog, Koa, on the go. Her own water and bed. And she's over here. Hi, Koa. Good girl. She likes that little corner. It's nice and dark for her. But yeah, they said we can just call room service and they'll provide us some s'mores kits for our fireside. But here's a little patio area and the fire pit. Now, we stayed in other fire pit rooms in the Ritz. One in Dana Point, Linda Gale area. And I think this is much better. There is no patio space for their fireside room. And I love this place better. Now we're gonna go check out the pool. Here's the pool. Actually a good sized pool too. And you got your towels, you got your swim diapers for the kids, sunscreen, and then aloe lotion after in case you get burnt. You got your cabanas here. Stunning views from the spa, especially at nighttime. And you got the Edge Steakhouse right here. And the views from here at nighttime are also amazing. Great place to eat. Catch all the lights of the evenings, skies, and the town just below. Another thing that's nice that the Ritz Carlton provides you is amenities brochure with a guest map of different parts of the resort. So this is for July. They got the spa hours, hair and nail salon, Ritz Kids, all the hours, daily fitness, poolside bliss, and you can reserve experiences by just scanning the QR code. They also have the boutique shopping hours, in-room dining, the steakhouse, which I heard is really nice, and the bar and kitchen state fair. Pretty cool that they provide this so we can kind of, it's not a big resort, but it is still nice to know exactly where everything's at. So we'll be checking things out today. And got Koa her own dog toys from the staff. So when we were out checking out the candy station at the lobby, we spoke to Christy, who was nice enough to bring us this care package of s'mores and a card, which Dave says, "Dear Tomas resident, it was so nice meeting you, family today. We're so happy you're here at our property. Please let us know if there's anything you may need, Christy." Just shows the dedication and hospitality that Rancho Mirage Ritz Carlton has. Thank you, Christy. We appreciate it.
Woke up to the sunshine. It's a brand new day. Got a smile on my face. Ain't no clouds in my way. I'm stepping out, feeling free, feeling.
We had an amazing 2 days at the Ritz Carlton, and we want to thank you to the staff for their hospitality. And we'll catch you on the next one. And like and subscribe, and we'll see you at Yosemite.